Okay, so you can use pattern tools to add interesting detail to your surface development. Firstly, I'm going to draw one little shape that I want to repeat out. So I'm just going to draw a little circle there. I think it would actually be a good idea for me to zoom in. So I'm using that zoom tool there. The other zoom tools I can use are pressing the Z button zooms me out, holding down shift and pressing Z zooms me in. So I'm just going to get the circle, oops, the exact size I want. Yeah, that will do. Now I'm just going to pattern it out. So I've selected it, and now I choose the linear sketch pattern. So over on the left, I can say how many of them I want. I can say what the spacing is that I want them to have. Yep, I think I'll go with that. So that patterns it crossways. I can also pattern it down as well. Change direction. And maybe I'll do 12. Okay, that's too much. I'll go one less and make that 13. Okay, so I can see roughly what my pattern's going to look like, and then I tick it. Another type of sketch pattern I can make is a circular sketch pattern. So I'm going to make a flower type shape now. So I'm just going to draw the center of my flower here, and then I'm going to draw one petal. Like that. Okay, now I want to make my circular sketch pattern. So using the selector, I am going to select the piece that I want patterned, and this time I want a circular sketch pattern. Okay, now I have to tell it what to pattern round. Okay, so I need to tell it what to pattern round. So I just want to point at the center of that circle, and it's going to pattern it round that point there. I can then say how many petals I want. Yep, that will do. Tick. And that's my circular pattern. Okay, so just to sum up, you can easily create repetition through using linear patterns or circular patterns.